Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Mehmet Genç. Today we are gonna make a visualization to use Power BI and the Tableau. So first of all, let's check out the overview. We have a data set. We are gonna clean this data set with Excel, and then we are gonna make a graph. The first one is gonna be the Power BI, and then comes Tableau. The last step is going to be result. So let's start our datasets. Our dataset, which is we will use a dataset with the numbers of car sales in Norway. We will create the sales graph and try to prediction the sales for the coming years. So this is our raw data. So which is not so complex. We have only 5 columns, but we have more than 4,000 rows. So first of all, I'm gonna remove some of the columns, and this is my clean data. I removed most of the brands. I just want to keep the big company, big brands, and I need a quantity and of course year. So this is my clean data, and let's continue with the Power BI. Oh yeah, it's here. So yep, I put my data in the Power BI. So until here is 2016, my raw data, and then comes the forecast module. Is like a prediction of the system. As you can see in the forecast module, sales amounts in the coming year seem upward, even if they fluctuate, as you can see. And we can say that is the 2018 and 2019. It's there is a there was economic crisis at that time, and we can see the causes of the car sale in Norway. So and then the sales rapidly increasing, and we can say that this increasing will keep continue. And let's continue with the Tableau, which is here. So these small circles represent our raw data, and this is drawing by the forecast model, and this is our trend line, and this orange one is for trend line by drawing by the forecast model. So the interesting point here is that the trend line of the data we have is drawing a trend higher than the trend line of the forecast model. So in this point we can say that the rapidly increasing car sales numbers in recent years may cause this movement of the trend line, as you can see. But we can say that the trend line drawn by the forecast model has a more cautious prediction. According to our raw data trend line, our car sales going to be almost doubles in 10 years, but according to forecast model trend line is more stable, but still it's gonna be increase. And So we check out the Power V graph, we checked out the W graph, and to sum up, as seen on two separate graphs, vehicle sales in Norway are expected to increase in the next years. The trend has been upward since a dramatic decline in vehicle sales in 2019, which was experienced by the impact of the 2018 economic crisis. Thank you so much.